Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your astrological profile on Snapchat. First, you need to download Snapchat, and here we're gonna click Snapchat. We'll go to our profile, the one with your Bitmoji, and then click your astrological profile. So here I'm Pisces, by the way, so continue. And then to edit it, you need to have your information. So here's my birthday, and then what time were you born. So here, let's say I was born on March 5, 1999 at 7:39 a.m. Okay, and then place, so here basically in Philippines. So yeah, and then complete, click complete, and then driving astrological profile, let's wait, and then I'm done. Here you're gonna see it, and that's it. And that's how you edit your astrological profile on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.